Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and then to change language to Ukrainian you just have to drag it on the first place and language will be changed automatically. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, then to the Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.